Hello everyone, in today's video we will be discussing an activity based on the topic area of a circle. It is a MATLAB activity. The objective of this activity is to find the area of a circle. The materials required for this activity are the chart paper, the ruler, pair of scissors, geometry box and pencil. So here we will be taking a chart paper and we will be folding it because in this activity we are needing the two circles. So here I have folded a page. Now with the help of geometry box we will be drawing a circle. You can take any radius or diameter. Now I will be drawing a circle. Remember that the page should be folded because in this activity we will be needing the two circles. So here I have drawn a circle. Now with the help of scissors I will be cutting it. So here are the two circles. Now we will take one circle and keep another circle aside. Now here is the circle. Now we will draw two diameters perpendicular to each other. Okay. So here I have drawn the two diameter. Now we will be cut these diameters into 4 equal parts. So 2 equal parts. Now we will be cutting in 4 equal parts. So here the 4 equal pieces I have got, and this is the circle. So now what we will be doing is we have to arrange this as I am showing now to you. So as I am showing you in here, so if we see it carefully, it represents a structure similar to the parallelogram. So we can say that this is a parallelogram and has its height same as the radius and the base length is the half of the circumference. So area of a circle is same as the area of a parallelogram. Now here it is. Now we will take the second circle. Now we have to draw another circle on the chart. No. So You have to cut this circle along the circumference. Then we have to draw 4 diameters that divide the circle into 8 equal parts. So here I have drawn 4 diameters which has the 8 equal parts. Now we will be cutting these diameters with the help of the scissor. So here 2 equal parts. We will be also cutting this. I will place it on each another. So here the 8 equal parts of the circle has been divided. Now I will be showing you, and you have to arrange by that way. I am showing you in this video. One to another, you have to keep it as I am showing. So you can see it. So if we see it carefully, it represents the structure similar to the parallelogram. So this parallelogram has height same as the radius and the base length same as the circumference. The area of a circle is same as the area of a parallelogram. Parallelogram and circle has the same area. We all know that area of a parallelogram is base into height. Now, same as the parallelogram, area of circle will be equal to the area of a parallelogram, which will be equal to base into height, half of a circumference, which is radius. So, base into height will be equal to radius. So, half circumference, which is radius, half c into r, which will be equal to half into 2 pi r into r, which will be equal to pi r square. So the area of a circle is 2. So the area of a circle is pi r square. So I have concluded that the area of a circle is equal to the area of a circumference. So in this video I have performed an activity based on to find the area of a circle, and we have also got the formula of the area of a circle, which is pi r square. So thank you.